Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your birthday on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, if you want to go and download Facebook, if you don't have it on your phone, of course you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So let me just go here, launch it, of course. So that will actually be your home screen or main screen. Here you will find the post that you may be interested on, the posts of you, the posts of your friends, the pages that you like, pages that you follow, the pages that you join, and etc. Something like that. And that's actually Facebook. So how to actually hide your birthday? It's simply by clicking at the top right corner 3 lines. Go and click on that. Then you'll like to navigate to your settings through clicking at the settings icon at the top right corner, or go down, scroll down here, then click at settings and privacy, then hit this settings option. Here, of course, you would like to scroll down until you find this audience and visibility, then go to profile information. As you can see here, you will find the information that you added to your profile. Of course, if you scroll down here, you will find here the option or the section of basic info. So if you click here at your birthday, so as you just go and click at edit. That will actually take you if you want to change your birthday, if you want to change your maybe gender, interested in, language, religions, political views, or whatever. So here, if you want people not to see your birthday, all you need to do, just click at this icon here, and then click at maybe friends, or click at more option and click at only me. Same goes for birthday, birth year, click at more options and only me. Then you'll be good to go, and that's how you actually make or hide your birthday. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.